Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Sadhana Yoga. Today we are going to learn few warm-up exercises. Before starting yoga, we have to do few warm-ups because our body will be so tightened. So we have to lose our body muscles. Now let's start the warm-up exercise. So a few warm-up exercise names like we have to swing movements, lateral movements, backward movements, forward movements. So many more are there like that. Let's start now. First we will go with our neck rotation. Okay, side bend, sides, forward, clockwise and anti-clockwise. Okay.
Tuck your chin inside and then slowly lift your head up and down again. Up and down. Repeat it for 2 to 3 times.
Touch your ear with your shoulder. Don't lift up your shoulder. Shoulder to be relaxed position only. Here you have to bend your neck. You have to touch. Bring your ear to the collar. You can see my collar. Now center. Rotation. Reverse. Center. Hands, wrist rotation. Slowly.
When you're doing it for the first time, try to do a bit slowly. Continue for a week or 2 to 3 days and then increase your speed. Do it in clockwise and then in anti-clockwise direction.
Same with your feet also. Clockwise and anti-clockwise, front and back. Do with your right leg and left leg. Now shift to left leg. Which leg you are doing? First right and shift to left. If you are doing first left and shift to right. You have to use up your muscles every day. Backward and forward. Slow. Like this.
Fold your hands, grab them near your chest and then start jumping slowly. First, start jumping by putting your hands near the chest like this, and then along with the legs, start moving your hands simultaneously. You have to do alternative hand and leg. When you lift your right leg, lift your left hand, okay, as you see in the video.
Now we will go with side bendings.
Put your legs apart, place your hands on your waist and then raise your hand facing towards the front and bend your hands slowly first towards the right and then come to the normal face and then bend to the left side. Each time when you shift your hand, make sure that the other hand must be placed on your waist. Do slowly.
Now we are going to do side. We have to turn a side. Turn on left side. So turn your leg also. Which side are turning? Turn your leg and turn your body slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Those who are having knee pain, please avoid it. Having knee pain, avoid forward bending, backward bending. Do it slowly. Who are weak from inside, the body is weak,
Doing this exercise loosens your joints and muscles. And so we call them as warm-up exercises.
Now we have to open our thigh muscles. Lift up your leg as much as possible and rotate backward. Compulsory, you have to do the warm-up. You have to lose your body muscles. Then only you can do very easily the asanas. These are the basics which you have to do the warm-ups regularly. Use very good benefit.
Do them carefully. For the first time, you have to not do so fast. Do it slowly.
Now relax. Now we'll go with next part. We have knees. Knees we have to do first. Backward movement. 1, 2.
Observe it carefully. I'm doing it slowly for you. You have to rotate your knees, holding it with your hands. Do not put any pressure with your hands on your knees. You have to just take support on your knees.
Now reverse. We have to do clockwise and anti-clockwise.
First do in the clockwise direction and next in the anti-clockwise direction. 30 seconds. You can do it for 30 seconds clockwise and other 30 seconds anti-clockwise.
Now both the knees, clockwise and anti-clockwise. Now we'll go with downwards side bending. Triangle pose. Do it slowly.
Make sure that you put your hands straight. Do not bend near your elbows.
Don't bend your legs also. By doing any exercise of standing or side bending, your legs should be always straight. Don't bend like this. Then your legs always should be straight while doing any exercise. Now, side twist. Gap between your legs, hands forward, turn as much as possible. If you slowly observe your body, you can see the body is getting loose. From the tighten, your muscles are getting loose. Slowly you can see the changes. If you do the regular warm-ups and yogasanas, regular Surya Namaskar and everything practice, your body will be loosened. Now, slow jogging. Now forward. Backward. Kick your back. Kick your buttocks. Now sides. Slowly. Slowly. Directly, you have to not stop. Slowly. Slowly. Standing. Asana. Relax your muscles. Just calm down your breathing. Heartbeat will be right. Normal your heartbeat. Look at how deep and bend forward. Deep breath in and deep breath out. It gives relaxation, complete body, giving your muscles relaxation. Slowly come down.
So in this video today we have learned how to do warm-up exercises for our whole body. So before doing any kind of exercises or yogasanas, warm-up is must for our body so that we can loosen our muscles and joints. This will help our body to get used to the asanas or the exercises. We don't get much pressure on our body when we start doing exercises rigorously. These warm-up exercises makes our body flexible. If you observe, we have done stretching of our arms, knees and rotating our head too. When there are some asanas where we need to stretch our body won't take pressure because we are already have given some warm-up exercises to our body. If you do not do this warm-up exercises and then start directly doing the exercises, our body takes pressure and we might have chances of getting sprains in few joints or hands or knees. So warm-up exercises are must. In the next video, we shall learn about few asanas in which warm-up exercises are used.
So friends, that's for today's warm-up exercises, and like, share and subscribe to my channel Sada Yoga.